Hi, it's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. I share authentic stories, travel experiences, and tips on navigating life and money. Welcome! Today, hubby and I are in Boca Raton, Florida, and we are looking forward to starting our 20th anniversary cruise here in a couple days. Actually, tomorrow. Tomorrow already. So we are looking forward to getting on the boat. We're going to be hanging out in Boca Raton today, and I'm going to show you a few of the sites that I have just walking along near our where we're staying. And so let's get started. We're gonna head down to the beach. This is our walk to the beach. Where we're staying is not on the beach, so we gotta walk the beach. Here we go. We're almost to the water, the ocean. So pretty. We made it. Pretty sunny bird too. Walking in the sand a little bit here. I have tennis shoes on, so it's going to be a little interesting. I'm actually not staying at the beach right now. I just wanted to show it to you. Sand is actually not my friend. I'm not a huge sand person, and it actually drives me crazy. But what do you do when you're in Florida? You go to the beach. Look at the pretty waves. So funny. There's nobody really out here in this part of the beach right now. And down a little bit, you can see down. Did my hair for you guys. It's getting in my face. We're at the beach, not going to the beach. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do this. It's completely in my face. I put some lip gloss on, so let me see if I can hold it back. There we go. Just a second. We made it to the beach. Okay, we made it to the water. We're not going to the beach. I've got tennis shoes on. We're going for a walk. But I wanted to show you the beach. It's so pretty. Such a beautiful down like area in Boca. So many fun. So in Boca you can come and you can sit on this like green space here, which is really nice. And then you're not like on the sand. So if you're like me, you're not a huge fan of sand. This is kind of like perfect. And there's something here right now. It's Monday, so it's probably if I came down here yesterday, I'd be really busy. Love these palm trees. They're so pretty. Love them. Wow. Definitely a fan. Definitely a fan of Florida. So pretty.